Border and coastal monitoring missions are critical for the national security and economic development. To improve maritime security, Ziyan released smart solution for border coast defense based on land, sea and air coordination. Due to the increasing number of vessels, smugglers always find a way to break the law, and it becomes challenging to find suspicious targets. The traditional approach requires law enforcement officers to stop suspicious vessels one by one for individual inspections. Due to the heavy inspection workload, the limited police forces was unable to meet the day and night surveillance requirements of longer coastlines. Continued nighttime maritime patrols is risky for the law enforcement officers. Intelligent border and maritime defense solution composed of shore-based, vessel-based radar system and UAV platform, effectively building a strong maritime defense lines. Reduce security risks and save time for law enforcement department. Radar detection system is mainly composed of radar, ACE system and electro-optic pod, which can be installed on a mobile command vehicle or vessel, forming a shore-based or vessel-based detection platform. Radar provides ship detection information within 100 km range and automatically identify ship information using ACE system. If the vessel information cannot be identified, the system will use the electro-optic pod to focus the target to obtain image information. AI algorithm for target analysis. The system detects suspicious targets and prompt alert to the law enforcement personnel. If the suspicious vessel cannot be identified by the pod, the system will coordinate with Ziyan UAV and share the target location in real time. After receiving the command by the law enforcement officers, the UAV will be used to identify and track the target. With strong wind resistance and high mobility capabilities, unmanned helicopter quickly reaches the suspected vessel, recording the vessel and sharing data in real time. Information reconfirmed by law enforcement officials can greatly improve the efficiency of screening suspicious vessels. In addition, sharing real-time data with the command center to help command team make the right decision on the right time. 3-in-1, the UAV combine the air, land, and sea monitoring. The best solution for quick emergency response. Support of AB point coordination for more flexibility. Ziyan Smart Border Coast Defense Solution. To make law enforcement more efficient, reduce risks, and build a strong maritime defense mechanism.